Now, let's choose a template for your site. A template gives you a ready-made design you can start with, so your site looks professional from day one. You can browse the templates by these categories, and if we scroll down, you'll see that some of the templates are marked as premium. All the others are free, and Earth is one that I like to use because it works well for lots of different sites. When you find a template you like, go ahead and select it. If you're unsure or want to change, you can click back here, and you can always choose a new one. But I'll proceed with Planet Earth. At this point, you can upload a logo, you can change your font pairings, or your color palettes, but I'm going to proceed with just the default options and then click Continue. On this screen, you can come down and click Skip this step, and you don't have to share your info here if you don't want. Just make sure to click that you understand, and then you can click Submit and Build My Website. You'll see the progress as your website gets built, and this usually only takes a few minutes. And there we go. This one only took 48 seconds. Go ahead and click View Your Website. In a new tab, your domain will open, and you'll see the template that we've just selected and installed.